Hey everyone, welcome to iOS Hacker. In this tutorial, we show you how you can make Siri announce notifications and make it read out notifications out loud from apps of your choice. The announce notifications feature works with iPhone speakers when you are wearing headphones and through CarPlay. After Siri has read out a notification, it will automatically hear for responses, allowing you to respond to messages hands-free. The feature also gives you full control over which apps are allowed to announce notifications and whether you want to use this feature when you are connected to headphones or CarPlay. To enable announce notifications feature, follow these steps. Launch settings and tap on the notifications option. Here under Siri heading, tap on the announce notifications option. On the next page, you will find a toggle for announce notifications. Turn this on. As soon as you flip the switch on, you will get access to a variety of options. This includes setting for enabling this feature for headphones and CarPlay. You also get a reply without confirmation option that lets you reply to messages without Siri reading your reply back to you first. Turning this on saves a lot of time. Under that, you have the announce notifications from section. Here you can turn this setting on or off for individual apps. You can go through this list and turn this feature on for apps you want Siri to read notifications from. We recommend that you only turn this feature on for important apps like Messages or WhatsApp. After you're done, you can exit settings. From now on, whenever you receive new alerts from your selected apps, Siri will read the notification out loud so you can hear it from a distance. That's it. This is how you can turn on announce notifications feature on your iPhone and have Siri read out notifications. If you found this tip helpful, then be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more iPhone tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.